Oh, before? Now wait patiently for 1 minute.
And watch as it spins.
And gets all big and puffy and bubbly.
And possibly burn.
Dude, my tongue hurts so bad. It's so hot. No! Did you hear that? Look at it, it's cooking! It's microwaving! Dude, this one's all black. See?
That was a fail.
It burnt my tongue. Hot! It's still really hot. Do I drop it? So much. I dropped a piece down my shirt. Ooh! That's really burnt. That was the biggest, most obnoxious gag. Maybe if we made it for 30 seconds, it would do better.
Maybe.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Wow, it's steaming. That one's really burnt. Look.
Smells like popcorn.
The after.